This conference will
will use this. Let me tell you. First, I will go to, let's say I'm going to take an intraday. How would be my plannings? Okay, very simple plan I will teach you, because without wasting much of your time like explaining here and there thing, I will in the very simple I will tell you how I will proceed with such a strategy. What I will see first. Okay, let me go with gold or silver, whatever. One commodity, since you trade on commodity, I will take one commodity. Okay, so here is the chart. What I will do, since I'm going to do intraday tomorrow, right? So when I will do my intraday tomorrow, what I do is I make a plan today itself. What kind of strategies I will follow tomorrow, I will teach you how. First, what I will do, I will go to my daily time frame because I'm doing intraday. Okay. To do the intraday in the daily time frame, I try to understand my price action first. This strategy I built one day before. Means this strategy I will not build on the runtime. This daily strategy first I build on the daily chart before the tomorrow's call, right? So what I will do, let's say here I will try to understand what kind of behavior it is. There are few things. I will share this note with you also. You can take a note. So what I will do is, the very first thing in this strategy, there is no something complex thing I will teach you. I will teach you things which really makes money. So what I will do is I will try to mark demand and supply first. In the very first, demand and supply,
Sure.
that is my step one. So how I will mark my demand and supply? What you say, what the supply is, what you feel a demand, what is mean by supply? Hello?
No, not able to gauge it. Yeah.
Do you get my question or should I repeat?
Yeah. I got your question, but
Mhm.
maybe you can explain it better.
Okay. So see, what is mean by demand? Demand is a place. You also know there are many people who only trade on demand and supply, right? Means
Sure.
only trade on demand and supply. Many people, like many gold silver trader also only trade positional in demand and supply. But demand and supply, I don't trade. I use it. I don't trade demand and supply because they are slow. They are powerful. They are slow. How I make demand and supply is very simple. I will try to find, I will go, this strategy I'm teaching only work on the intraday. Okay. If
Sure.
you want to
Sure.
work on swing, I would be teaching as per the swing. But currently I'm teaching on intraday. How I would be
Sure.
doing is I would try to see a area at the most top area where I will see most of the rejections are coming. I will try to calculate those area. Here you can see on the chart, here you can see on the chart, this is the area which is the toppest area. You can see all time high in the daily chart. These are the
Hmm.
most powerful supply zone. Supply zone is the place where the people feel price is very high for that script or that entity. For this, let's say assume this entity or script, assuming silver, this is the place when the price comes. Here you can see in 7th August 2020, when the price come, people started feeling that this is the price is too high here. When the price again reacted in this place in 1st September, means just after a month, people started feeling that this price is too high. Again, this price came after few months in 1st February, and people started feeling that price is too high. And again, we are on the nearby zone only, doing sideways. So this is the zone. Supply zone is a zone where sellers thinks, or who already bought it, they thinks now price already reach at a zone where it is having the highest price, and this price will not sustain. This is their imagination, because stock market runs on the feelings, right? Emotions. If most of the people here though bought the stocks have the emotion price is high here, based on their technical analysis or whatever you say, this is the place which forms the supply zone. Means there the people start selling who are either the buyer, and when these people started selling, new sellers will also join them, because they also feel these people are selling, let us short with them. because here you will find almost nobody is ready to buy at such higher prices. Nobody is ready to buy. Here few peoples or retailers are getting trapped in these places. Means, when I will tell you, there one friend of mine who work in a brokerage firm, he told us when the big brokers, when the big players actually put their buy order, a short order, means, see, brokers means these big players will, who they are also people. They will not put short order like by like us. They will ask the brokers, can you put a short order for me? So these brokers, right, our brokers, they know where the short positions are being made. And when they know short positions are being made at this point, they have some lot size already defined by this big players. They tell, can you short, let's say, x amount, or let's say 4,000 silver at this place, assuming a number. Let's say they will tell you, short the 4,000 silver quantity here. Unfortunately, there is no 4,000 silver here present. Assuming, let's assume here the silver present is 3,000 quantity is present. So 1,000 silver quantity is missing, right? 1,000 silver quantity is missing. Now, how to get
Sure.
this 1,000 quantity? Here the picture came of rumors. Here the picture comes of tips. Means here the brokers, here the news and everybody. Because see, if I am running the market, I can run the news as well, right? Means if I can run this
Correct.
biggest market, I can run the news as well. So this moment of time, the news are spread. Means कहते हैं ना, न्यूज फैलाया जाता है यहाँ पे. जो बंदा शॉर्ट
Yeah.
किया होगा वो न्यूज फैलाएगा यहाँ पे आके. और जब न्यूज फैलाया जाएगा यहाँ पे आके उसके द्वारा, जब जो बंदा शॉर्ट करके बैठा है, हम बायर्स को ट्रैप करेंगे ये लोग, राइट? मीन्स दे विल enhance or encourage, they will encourage us to buy at this point, because they will come to news somewhere here when the price is going up like this, and they will tell price is shooting up, buy the silver, buy this script, buy the Reliance, otherwise you will miss the trade. That is called FOMO, fear of missing out. And the people, some people buy here, some people buy here, and most of the people buy here. And when the liquidity came to the market, when this 1,000, then the people started buying here, liquidity came to the market, the mm, things are available, right? They will start shorting it. Means they make you do what they want. If they want to buy, they will make you sell. If they want to sell, they will make you buy. Very simple. Means they will
Sure.
let you do what they want. This is how they are trapping us. So first of all, I never see news. Believe me, I never see news. Means it happened long back. I not see news, because even because as I am also human, right? That news, if it is in my brain, it will make me wrong somewhere. Means my analysis will not be like clean water. I will do my analysis based on the news, because news told the price will go short. You may notice you will try to your technical analysis will give you short. It happens. If
Sure.
people are saying the price will go short or long, your technical analysis will also give the same result, because it's not your technical analysis, in your brain it is, right? So first of all, I just make sure I am not watching the news and all, no tips, nothing. I will see what my graph is saying. Important thing. So I think this supply is clear. This is called supply zone. This is called major supply.
Sure.
Major supply,
Sure.
right? This is called major supply. So supply, so demand and supply, demand and supply. So supply is the zone where market thinks the price is higher and it is
It's
overbought,
just like
you
the
can say.
resistance, what we mean to say, right?
This is just
Support and
like a
resistance. Yeah.
kind of
Yeah.
support and resistance, and there is a fine line
Sure.
of difference between them. So
Sure.
it is like overbought.
Correct.
There is so many people buying this, that kind of feelings and sentiments are in the market. And I know personally some of them who had spread newses, they are like working in the big brokerage firm, and they tell me personally like how they had spread the news in such a positions to make the positions of their big players. Because see, they are not earning much brokerage from me and you, right? How much position I and you will take? In lakhs, right? And mostly in crores. They are making like 10 times, 100 times more orders than us. They are earning a lot of brokerage, their firm is running because of such big players. So they are important, and to make them win, they can make us lose also. So that's why here, unfortunately, our broker will ask, like they will tell you, they will not tell you short here or buy here. He will tell, I think the price will go 80,000 from here, and he will go. That one statement is more than enough to kill you. You know,
True.
you will started thinking the 80,000 it will go, and why you will go? You will give yourself 10 reason why it should go 80,000. And though it will not go, still silver not go 80,000. But you heard the news, right? In months back, even I was seeing those videos. Silver will touch 1 lakh like that, and all people were buying. And we all shorted. Me and my students, whoever take trade, we all shorted. We all made the trade position. And I will tell you honestly, few of the student were strictly doubted when we were shorting. Like they are asking, sir, are we doing correct? Because everybody is buying. Means, are we going to lose because everybody is buying? I told, this will be a big short, don't worry, because everybody is going to lose. This is a short position for sure. And when the price go up a bit here, it was shooted, and there is a marabozu. What is mean by marabozu? This candle cover everything. All the bullishness has been covered here on the 3rd February. This I am speaking when the February entered, because this shooting was happening, means continuously. This three When this three pattern formed, this is called three white soldier. You also heard in my training while I was
Yes,
teaching,
yes.
right? So very strong pattern, three white soldiers, and it was again higher highs. Price is making higher highs. Everybody was saying this is a all time, like price will go 80,000, and this was the February. And I was taking the live training that time, and in my batch I told, can you see this? When the day, at the same day I'm speaking, when this 1 February it was touching here, I told, can you see two things? I don't told anything to anybody. I told, can you see two things? Are you seeing here supply zone or not? They're saying yes, there is a supply here. There is a huge supply. Price even not here, price touch one time, two times, and it never came back in this area. I told, that is one thing you are noticing. Second thing, if this supply zone was broken with a clear cut Marabozu candle, means there is a no wick at the top. What is mean by wick? If you had gone through my that training, wick means there is a selling pressure, right? Here
Sure.
I told them, people started selling. Short positions are made, believe me, short positions are made, because we are having so many reasons why we should short. First of all, we are on the supply zone. We should never buy on the supply zone, and it is a major supply. Second thing, selling pressure is coming. And here you can see price. See how the price came. When the price comes in the advanced price section, I told one thing. When the price comes slowly, let's say price started from here, and if it comes slowly, let's say from here, if it comes slowly like high low, let's say green red green red green red, and then it comes here, that time price sustains. But whenever, notice this point always in your mind, when the price come to a zone in shooting form, like you can see shooted from here, price will not sustain. And history repeats. Price shooted till this zone, see, price will not sustain. When the price will come like this, like you can see three white soldiers, and shooted till this major supply, price will not sustain. Never. It never happens. Can you notice one thing? What is the difference between these three hits? Now you tell me, first interaction, second interaction, and third interaction is going to happen. What is the difference in these two versus this interaction? If this will hit this high, what will be the difference between this interaction of the supply?
So the third instance supply will go up.
Means if this time it touches the supply, what would be the difference this
Yeah.
time compared to these two time? What do you say after this explanation? Had price, see, price touch the supply in shooting form, it shooted, they after they see bullishness, right?
Right.
Price touch the
Yes.
supply in
Yes.
shooting. Can you see the price is touching the supply in shooting, or it's slowly traveling? What you notice?
Sure. Sure.
Means is it shooting now, it is going to touch in the shooting format, or it is slowly traveling? That's my question.
I think it's shooting up. Yeah. Yeah.
No, it's
I
not
think it's
shooting up.
shooting up.
Shooting
Okay.
up in the sense, see, here the price was, see, $25, or maybe in our Indian currency it will be nearby 68 to 69,000 somewhere, right? And in 3 days
Hmm.
price become almost 70 to 72,000, right? But here you can see
Okay.
price is in the three candles, price travel a very big distance. That is called shooting up. Here you can see
Sure.
there are so many days price passed here, means from 17th May and today is 10th June. It's more than a month. Price is passing the time in this location. It's not in the three candles
Okay.
penetrating or
Okay.
going to this zone. That is called shooting. Means if this kind of
Sure.
price will broke this, this will sustain. That we call shooting up
Hmm.
principle. If price will go
Sure.
in the shooting up manner, it generally not sustains. You can see it not sustains. If price will come slowly like this, most of the time it will sustain if it breaks here properly, and possibly with no wicks, no supply pressure,
Hmm.
right? But still we can't say, because here you can see double top is there, right? If you trade on tops
Yes.
and bottom
Yes.
also, right? So price started telling, like, here is a double top, first price will break this. So see, all the process is very very slow, very very slow. Means price is not in hurry. When price is in hurry, बस समझ जाओ कि कुछ खिचड़ी पक रहा है, कुछ तो होने वाला है. इतना शूटिंग होने लगे तो देन समझ जाओ समथिंग इज गोइंग टू हैपन एंड आई शुड बी अवॉइडिंग द ट्रेड. दैट मोमेंट ऑफ टाइम एकदम सतर्क हो जाने का है कि मतलब कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. अगर प्राइस स्लोली ट्रेवल करके जाता है देन दिस काइंड ऑफ प्राइस सस्टेन्स. अगेन यहाँ पे सस्टेन करने का दो रीजन ये हो सकता है कि बिकॉज यहाँ पे हमें डबल टॉप मिल रहा है. अगर प्राइस इस डबल टॉप को तोड़ती है तो प्राइस का अगला चैलेंज होगा सप्लाई. सिंस प्राइस बहुत
Hmm.
टाइम यहाँ पे बिताया है, तो जब भी प्राइस को बहुत बड़ा मूवमेंट देना होता है ना, बहुत बड़ा मूवमेंट आइदर अप या डाउन, प्राइस समय बिताता है उस जगह पे. जहां पे भी प्राइस को अगर बहुत बड़ा मूव देना है, प्राइस विल स्पेंड टाइम. इफ यू नोटिस, यहाँ पे प्राइस 1 जून 2020 को था सेम, आज जो जून मंथ में हम लोग बैठ के ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हैं. और यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे कि प्राइस जुलाई तक, क्या हम देख सकते हैं, प्राइस ऑलमोस्ट 1 से 2 मंथ प्राइस यहाँ पे बस घूम रहा था. ऑलमोस्ट जून से जुलाई मतलब 1 मंथ प्राइस घूमा है. और ऐसा मूवमेंट कभी मिस नहीं करना चाहिए. अपना टेक्निकल्स रेडी रखना चाहिए, अपना पोजीशंस रेडी रखना चाहिए, और अपना वॉच लिस्ट ऐसा एक बना के उसको रेडी रखना चाहिए. अपकमिंग पैटर्न्स और अपकमिंग हिट, कुछ भी बोल के ऐसा पैटर्न बना लेना चाहिए, बिकॉज ये प्राइस जाएगा. बिकॉज अगर कोई प्राइस एक जोन पे काफी टाइम बिताता है तो ऐसा प्राइस को कभी मिस नहीं करना चाहिए. और ये जानने के बावजूद भी कि वो ट्रेड जो था वो शूट करने का कैपेबिलिटी रखता है. पास्ट में अगर वो भागता है तो बहुत तेज भागता है, ऐसा भी करता है. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि ये स्लो है, ये बहुत फास्ट भागता है, बट अभी 1 महीने से स्लो है. तो इसका मतलब ये है कि हम क्या करेंगे, हम यहाँ पे एंट्री नहीं लेंगे, अभी नहीं लेंगे, बट इसको एंट्री लेने के लिए अपने रडार पे जरूर रखेंगे. अगर किसी बंदा को यहाँ पे जब हम ट्रेड कर रहे थे तो हमें पहले से पता था कि ये जो जगह है ये जो जगह है यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी 2 बार प्राइस ने डबल टॉप बनाया है। फिर आप देखो हुआ क्या कि प्राइस बहुत जोर से नीचे गिरा, प्राइस एक्शन के हिसाब से मैं बता रहा हूँ, फिर प्राइस ट्रेवल करके पहुंचा। अगर ये शूट करते हुए जाता ना तो शायद फिर गिरता, लेकिन प्राइस बहुत लंबा टाइम बिताया इस जोन के पास। इसका क्या मतलब है? अगर प्राइस एक लंबा टाइम बिताता है किसी जोन के पास, इसका मतलब है कि बायर्स 1 महीना अगर यहाँ बिताता है प्राइस, तो प्राइस जो बायर्स हैं वो 1 महीने बाद भी उनका यही सोचना है कि प्राइस बहुत सस्ता है, द स्टॉक इज स्टिल चीप, नॉट
Sure.
कॉस्टली, राइट, आई शुड नॉट शॉर्ट इट। अगर 1 मंथ में भी उनका विचार नहीं बदलता है, दिस मीन्स उनका ये मानना है कि स्टॉक इज स्टिल चीप, इट कैन मेक बिग हाई। एंड हु इज दोस पीपल who do big shorts and big longs? They are the market leaders, right? They are nothing but those big fish in the market, right? And उनका ये सोचना है कि प्राइस बहुत सस्ता है, क्योंकि अगर उनको लगे प्राइस महंगा है तो आप देखो प्राइस ऐसे ऐसे आपको तुरंत प्राइस अपना बिहेवियर दिखा देता है कि ये नहीं टिकेगा। तुरंत आपको मारो बोजू मिलेगा, फिर आपको शूटिंग स्टार मिलेगा। हमें कैंडल स्टिक पहले ही बता देते हैं कि ये होने वाला है, प्लस हमारा टेक्निकल एनालिसिस, प्लस और भी जो चीजें हम सीखेंगे हमें पहले ही पता चल जाएगा कि ये होने वाला है और हम इस मूव से बच जाएंगे। लेकिन ये जो चीजें हैं जो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, ये बहुत कम लोग बताते हैं। जैसे कि प्राइस आपको बहुत दिन तक मूव कर रहा है उस जोन में, आप समझ जाओ टाइम आ गया। अगर मैं इसको थोड़ा सा ध्यान से और दिखाऊं, मैंने ट्रायंगल पैटर्न आप लोगों को ग्रुप में भी आपको पोस्ट करता हूं मैं। अब देखो ध्यान से यहाँ क्या खिचड़ी पक रहा है, यहाँ क्या खिचड़ी पक रहा है, यहाँ ध्यान से देखो। होता क्या है ट्रायंगल पैटर्न का कॉन्सेप्ट, क्या मैं आपको बताता हूँ। ट्रायंगल पैटर्न होता क्या है ना, कि ऐसा सिचुएशंस जहां सेलर को लगता है कि नहीं यार प्राइस बहुत ज्यादा ऊपर आ गया, चलो शॉर्ट करते हैं। बायर्स को लगता है नहीं नहीं प्राइस बहुत सस्ता है, चलो बाई करते हैं। सेलर्स को अगेन लगता है नहीं प्राइस बहुत महंगा है, शॉर्ट करते हैं। बायर्स को लगता है नहीं प्राइस बहुत सस्ता है, चलो बाई करते हैं। तो ये जो स्ट्रगल होने लगता है ना, तो डेफिनेटली कोई बहुत बड़ा आउटकम आने वाला होता है, बहुत बड़ा। आप देखो ग्रुप में मैंने जितने भी पोस्ट करे सब ट्रायंगल पैटर्न के करे, क्योंकि मैं ट्रायंगल पे ट्रेड लेता हूँ। ट्रायंगल बहुत गजब का रिजल्ट देता है, गजब मतलब बहुत गजब का। अगर आपको वो जगह पता चल जाए जहां पे आपको ये समझ में आ जाए कि बायर और सेलर में कंफ्यूजन है, तो इतना श्योर हो जाना कि मैं ट्रेड नहीं लूंगा, नंबर 1। नंबर 2, मैं तब ट्रेड लूंगा लेट द विनर डिसाइड कि जीता कौन। यहां पे क्या हुआ, प्राइस, मैं आपको बताता हूं फेक आउट और ब्रेकआउट को कैसे समझते हैं। मैं इसको डिलीट कर देता हूं। यहां तक आपको क्लियर है?
Sure. Sure.
ठीक है, चलिए। अभी मैं आपको बता रहा हूं कि प्राइस हमेशा एक चैनल में मूव करती है, राइट? हमें उस
Hmm.
चैनल को पकड़ना है, लेटेस्ट चैनल। अगर आप ध्यान से देखें तो आपको कुछ ऐसा चैनल आपको दिख रहा है, राइट? ये देखिए आपको कुछ चैनल ऐसा दिखा, ये पुराना चैनल, ये पुराना चैनल
Hmm.
था, ये दिख रहा है आपको। मैं एक ऐसा जबरदस्त थ्योरी देने जा रहा हूँ जो मतलब मैंने बहुत एक्सपीरियंस के बाद सीखा था,
Sure.
जो आपको फ्यूचर प्रेडिक्ट कर देता है। बहुत सिंपल है, एक लाइन का है और बहुत सिंपल और बहुत पावरफुल है। हियर इट इज अ कंप्लीट साइडवेज चैनल, राइट? अप डाउन
Sure.
अप डाउन अप डाउन लाइक दिस, राइट? Price was facing support then going down, like it's kind of up channel. So in my channel, what is the channel rule says? Channel rule says if the price will come here, if the price will come here I will buy, price will come here I will buy, price will come here I will buy, right? So I'm nearby buy. If I will even buy here, this will be my stop loss, this area is my loss, this
Hmm.
much would be my stop loss, and this much would be my target, right? If I am buying here, this would be my stop loss, 1:1. If I am buying here, this is too big stop loss, right? So I have to make sure I would be coming, price will come somewhere here and I will get a buy signal, I would be using that. Clear, right? So possibly I'm nearby buy. So channel, I'm almost nearby buy, still not buy, confirm. Give you the big targets. Means if you follow this 1% of the profit in, if go on the higher time frames, on the higher daily beast, if you do swings, I do generally swings in higher time frames. See, this is one target tree. On this, he's seen the buy and made 10%. He invested, I think, more than a lakh, and this much of amount he just recovered without technical. Where it is? Yes. Without technical in 41 days. Means almost a month, means 5 weeks, I can say. That is good for someone who don't even know trading, right? Also, he generally trade in this script. Also see this much in 15 days. So actually nowadays his all income problem we had resolved. If you see TCS, I will show you anything. That's why like we are going live. Yesterday we went live,
Sure. Sure.
it given buy call, it given sell call. You see this here when TCS was in December, right? Maybe tomorrow we will again be going live. Yesterday we went live, for this showing like how it works. Like we don't do anything. Like we are not. It's not Photoshop, right? It's everything in live. In live market we opened it and it's working. So see here it given in December. And I remember one of the student taken this trade not on this indicator based on the technical analysis that time. And same it calculated because later when we were discussing in the previous batch he told like sir I taken the same trade based on this pattern. See triangle breakout and he taken the entry here. So means it give the same thing whatever you will do. Apart from this, tomorrow I will take class again and I would be
Sure.
teaching you exactly what is the stock you need to trade. Means you know how to trade. But if I will give you a magical power where you will know tomorrow this stock is going to run 5%, 10%, or circuit will be possibly it will give upper circuit tomorrow.
Sure.
Don't you think combining this price actions and all this indicator it will give you more money in the market, right? So
Sure.
I would be tomorrow taking one more live class. I would be teaching you that strategies how to find those stocks out of thousands of stock, right? And that strategy you will use, and 1 days 2 days or 3 days before you will be knowing what this stock is going to run 5 or 10%, and you are ready, just you will be preparing for taking an entry. When confirmation will come you will take entry and make money there, right? So just for an like overview, how was the session, like how you were feeling initially, now how is feeling
No,
now
it was
before
very
coming to us?
informative. It was very informative, and I appreciate, all the insight that you've given. It was thorough, and I suppose any layman will be able to discern. The only thing is, grasping everything overnight looks difficult. It's more of practice and
Difficult,
implementation. And once you do a lot of
right?
time you spend on the screen, that's how you'll be able to memorize it. That's what I feel.
Right, right.